I've woken up this morning and there's a little robin outside our house. Oh, he looks so cute. I think he's been inside this morning as well. He's just sitting on the outside. He's just sitting. Oh, here he is, look. He's just sitting outside. Oh, he's coming so close. Wow. Oh. Oh. Oh no, he's come inside. Oh, I'm gonna shut the door so he can't come in. It's a beautiful morning this morning. I'm just gonna walk down and we're going to go to a duck race. So be interesting. Each chalet gets their own duck. So we're gonna see who wins. I'll take you along. But listen, it's so beautiful this morning. Wow. And if you go down here, there's like a little cafe and a little restaurant and a little shop. It's beautiful. And here the water.
Some get stuck. Little booster baby.
Come on, Dan. Let's follow it. Let's go.
Coming down to the finish line. Oh! So we didn't win the duck race, but we did win the loudest cheerers for our duck. So we won some cider, which is really nice. So this is what we won. So we won these 2 ciders, which is from a local producer. So it was a blush berry cider and a golden cider too. So probably try that out later. Just come out to the beach and we're going to have a walk along and have a look in the little crabs and the rock pools, aren't we? Yes. So it looks really pretty, and have a look, see if we can find any crabs or anything like that. There's loads of stinging out, wasn't there? Oh, can you smell the sea?
No. Something in my smell.
Sorry?
I've got something wrong with my smell.
Have you? You can't smell the salt?
Oh, I can now.
God, it hits you.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
So we've come into the town now and we're just going to have a look around and have a look in the little shops and that, because we need to get a few bits and pieces anyway. We've just had a little stop and we've both got ourselves an ice cream.
Yeah, we both got a coffee, didn't we?
I know, it looks really nice. You got yours in a cup and I got mine in a cone.
It's a tub.
A tub.
What do you like call it? Cup or tub? I call it a tub. You call it a cup.
I do. Oh, it's dripping. I've got to go and eat it now. It looks really nice though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So the sun's starting to come out now, which is lovely. It's just so pretty. In the forest there's loads of trees. Oh, they're so high. It's beautiful here.
So we're like back at our resort now.
Yeah, and we've decided to have a little walk. We've just had some dinner in the little restaurant that's here.
Yeah.
And now we're going to have a little walk in the woods. What did you have for your dinner?
I had like a burger and I asked the side of Dobles and they did it and it was really nice. So I think I'm here again.
Yeah, and I had, what did I have? Oh, I had scampi and chips and that was really nice too. I really enjoyed it. So we're just going to have a little walk, and we bought some seeds that we're going to feed all the little animals in, aren't we?
Yeah.
Say I'm having such a lovely time with you, Alice, and
same.
it's really nice just to be chilled and just to get away somewhere, because it's been such a hard year and it's really nice to be in such a beautiful place. Don't you agree?
Yeah, I really like it.
And we've had some nice walks and we've been to the sea today. It's been really lovely, hasn't it?
Yeah. So we're gonna go now and enjoy our restaurant evening because I'm really enjoying it.
Okay, so thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video, and see you guys tomorrow. Doing something really exciting, aren't we?
See you next week, but see us tomorrow.
Our tomorrow. But thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.